First open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click your network adapter and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Now restart. Press yes. Now your problem should be fixed.